Okay, so I've taken the brood box off and just set it aside for a minute. I'm just gonna look in here, just on the off chance that I see the queen. I can't imagine really finding her in this carnage of dead bees and dying bees. It smells bad. It smells like dead bees. I don't know how to describe that smell. It's like wet dog, but depressing. So I don't see her. Not that I would, but that's the thing. Like if the queen lives through this, maybe they could survive. If she doesn't, I don't know if they're gonna be able to make a new one. But at least I'm gonna get these dead bees out of their hive so that they can go on without dead bodies everywhere. So this is what pesticides do. If you spray pesticides in your yard, you may be causing this somewhere. So just be aware that if it does this to bees, it may not be completely harmless to you.